Okay, this is our website at bathbombmachine.com. This is our homepage. And as you scroll down here, there's lots of good information about our equipment, lots of little features you can click on to learn more. There's testimonials from several companies down here. But what I want to show you is how to get to our store. So if you click on the word shop, you can look at just categories of bath bomb machines or categories of molds. But if you actually click on the word shop here, it will pull up our entire catalog. So all of our products are listed here. And there's the B-3, the B-3 business package, and the B-49 here, and then molds that will work with these as you scroll down the page. And we have a lot of molds, and it's increasing all the time. So you can click on any of the photos here or the view details box, and it will pull up a page dedicated to that product, and you can have a lot more information to learn about our equipment. So this is our B3 page. You'll see there's a lot of videos here to watch. We have reviews that you can click on this link here, and it'll take you to reviews down below. And there's also a dedicated reviews page here with lots of stories we've collected over the years and different companies we've worked with. To get back to our home page, you just click on our logo here, and that takes you back to bathbombmachine.com. Thanks.